Our story begins on Channel 6 Action News. When this bullet, falling off this house or that house, flew off right here.
No.
And it might be dangerous because nails are sticking out.
No.
And son, you know the story on this board, right? You go ahead and tell.
Well, when I was walking through here and I was going to the bus, but there was no school, I saw this board with 4 nails laying under that blue car. And then, with my muscles, I moved it out over to here.
Good. We'll be updated after this break.
Try it!
Hey, we're back from Hurricane Isabel interview with the documentary on Channel 6 Action News. I'm Jake Rasmussen and I'll host for you this news broadcast, and it's pretty windy today. Winds up to 20 to 10 miles an hour, and as you can see, all the leaves from these trees I just fallen. They're going from west to east, north to south, any direction, and the winds keep picking up at different rates. We'll keep you updated. We'll keep you more updated. And cameraman, if we just go over there, look at all those trees. These houses are always so clean. Always clean. Always. But now today, after the hurricane, boy, it's a mess. All these sticks you have to clean up. We'll keep you updated. All these leaves. This tree fell down. The tree fell down, and we're chopping it up. Look at it. It fell down right, and it smashed the gate. We'll keep you updated. This is it, folks. This is the big. This whole tree branch fell down from up there.
Woke up in the middle of the night with the winds blowing 50, 60. We heard this big snap and crashed down the tree. Missed my car by about a foot. Hit the lamppost, but lucky that's standing. So I'm going to be spending almost all day cutting this tree apart. Came up by the roots. That's how powerful it was. Pulled it right out.
This is a horrific experience. Let's go check out other people. We'll keep you updated. These are the winds of a hurricane.
Okay, if you want to know what the hurricane did to me, back off. Okay, the hurricane knocked down the tree over there, tree over there, tree in your ear. Aren't you gonna see the ear? Okay. Take 3. It was really loud, and a huge branch fell on our garage.
And it was
like,
We'll keep you updated.